daughter is a competitive swimmer and has type 4 kinky hair. How does she protect it from chlorine? Chlorine is more about preventative and what you do before you get in the water, not what you do after. The fact that you're wetting your hair every day and she's a competitive swimmer is really good because it's an opportunity to recondition. Making sure that before you put your cap on, before you get in the pool or the ocean, that you wet the hair first. Why? Because this saturates the hair with water and it's more difficult for the chlorine to attach itself to hair that's already saturated with water. One, adding Hair Rule's finishing balm and or coconut oil. Finishing balm doesn't rinse off as quick or adds more moisture to the hair before rinsing up is important because this also prevents it's a bit of an oil barrier between the hair on top of the wet hair, which gives that extra added protection. And then, of course, you get out the tub or the shower or wherever it is. Did I say tub? I did not mean tub. Of course, then you get out of the pool and you re-rinse the hair to clean it and you recondition it. And keeping the hair soft also prevents chlorine from attaching itself to your hair. So that repetitiveness of a competitive swimmer really is an opportunity to not only keep the hair soft, but what you do before is more important than what you do after.